Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to archive your highlights on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you easily locate your Instagram highlights. So highlights are essentially curated collections of your past stories, and they are neatly organized on your profile page. And within each highlight, you can seamlessly navigate through all the stories it contains. So there isn't a direct option to archive your highlights, but you can simply remove them. So to remove a story from a highlight, simply click a highlight and choose a story that you want to delete. Click the three dots at the bottom right of your screen and click Remove from Highlight. Don't worry, because deleted stories in your highlights will remain untouched in your archived stories. And then if it is a highlight that you want to delete, just long press that highlight and click Delete Highlight. And that's how you can easily archive your highlights in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!